In this video, I'll go over the up or down channel type of pattern, along with using a single trend line. We have already discussed the drawing tools of a trend line and a channel. The channel is just two parallel trend lines creating the channel. This is in general a continuation pattern, either making higher highs and higher lows or lower lows and lower highs. A trader might trade this with a reversal strategy as well, off the trend lines, entering a short off the top level, then taking profit at the mean of the channel or on the other side of the channel. If you were trading it as a reversal strategy like this, you would be stopping out when the stock breaks one of the trend lines. You can also see this kind of entry as a continuation strategy, except the trader would only be trading it in the direction of the trend. So if the stock is trending up, they would buy off the bottom trend line, or during a consolidation in the channel. If the stock is trending down, they would short it off the top trend line, or during a consolidation in the channel. If a trader was wanting to do this as a breakout play, they would wait for the stock to break above a trend line. Then, after the confirmation, they would enter somewhere just above the top trend line or just below the bottom trend line for a breakdown. Then they'll take profit when the stock makes a bigger move away from the trend line. If the trader only had one single trend line, the trade can be played in a similar way to the channel. As a reversal, they would go the opposite of the trend, off the trend line. As a continuation, a trader would enter off the trend line in the direction of the trend. And as a breakout, a trader would wait for the price to break through the trend line, then enter the trade. All with similar targets and stops to that of a channel pattern. As you see, so many traders can look at the same pattern and trade it so differently. This is why it's hard to base any strategy only on a pattern. So keep that in mind, and I'll see you in the next pattern video.